Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest gadgets that will change your life. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the incredibly innovative DJI Neo 2 motion camera drone. This compact powerhouse is not only a marvel of engineering but also an absolute blast to use. Weighing in at just 151 g and certified for safe transport, it's an impulse-buy-worthy accessory that'll make your friends jealous. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie to the world of drones, this little gem is sure to delight. Let's dive into some of its standout features. First up, we have palm takeoff and landing, a game-changer for beginners and pros alike. It means you can simply place the drone on your palm, and it'll take care of the rest, saving you from those dreaded, awkward landing attempts. Plus, with gesture control, you can enjoy hands-free operation like never before. Now, Active Track is another feature that's going to blow your mind. This advanced tracking system keeps your subject in focus, no matter what, whether you're following a friend on vacation or capturing stunning cityscapes. And the best part? You can access live feed and flight status via your Apple Watch. It's like having a personal co-pilot at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. DJI Neo 2 Motion also boasts an incredible feature called Selfie Shot. This allows you to snap quick, convenient selfies with just a tap of the button, perfect for capturing those perfect moments on the go. The selfie-taking experience is seamless and fun, thanks to this handy feature. Another feature that caught my attention was omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which translates to incredibly safe flight. You can fly with confidence, knowing the drone's got your back, and your face, and your cat. Plus, versatile flight modes open up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Now, about that imaging quality, oh boy, is it something special. The DJI Neo 2 Motion boasts 4K high-quality imaging, delivering crisp, lifelike photos and videos every time. Imagine capturing those stunning sunsets or breathtaking cityscapes in crystal-clear detail. Last but certainly not least, we have the drone's accessories package, which includes everything you need to get started, and then some. You'll receive DJI Neo 2, DJI RC Motion 3, DJI Goggles N3, a digital transceiver, 3 batteries, and more. Before I wrap this review up, I want to mention that the DJI Fly app is currently not available on Google Play due to platform compatibility issues. However, you can download the latest version from the official DJI website. Don't worry, it's worth the extra effort. If you're looking for a drone that'll elevate your aerial adventures and leave you grinning from ear to ear, look no further than the DJI Neo 2 Motion. With its cutting-edge features, sleek design, and seamless user experience, this little powerhouse has won my heart. Trust me, once you try it out, you'll be hooked for life. Check out the link below to get your hands on the best price for the DJI Neo 2 Motion. I promise you won't regret it.